everyone, I'm standing up because I forgot to film an intro to this video, but today I am filming my going out look. I have a friend's birthday dinner I'm going to, so I've just filmed how I got ready and how I did my eyeshadow. I have like a cut crease, I don't know, half cut crease, I'm not really sure what it's actually referred to, but yeah, I just wanted to film this look for you guys and I hope you like it and keep on watching. Okay, I already have my foundation, contour, everything on, and I'm just gonna hop in and do my eyeshadow. And today I'm wearing it's like a mint green suit almost, but the suit is like shorts, but they're like biker short length, and then the suit jacket's kind of open. So I was trying to think what I was gonna do with my eye makeup, and I think I'm just gonna keep it pretty basic in terms of colors. So what I want to do is get some like tape on the sides of my eyes and just kind of make my eyes look bigger, if that makes sense, because I'm going to be wearing my hair up in a big ponytail. I have like a fake hair ponytail, which I know sounds like so tacky, but it actually looks quite cute on. But I'm gonna put that on, so I want something that's gonna make my eyes really pop. So yeah, I'm just gonna get started. Okay, I'm going in with my Scotch tape. When I do Scotch tape, I always kind of like fold it in so there's less of a sticky side on it, so it's kind of just like half folded in, because it just makes it easier for me to clean up my foundation afterwards. So I'm just going to put the tape where I would normally put eyeliner, towards my eyebrow. I'm just going to be using a like neutral palette today. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm kind of going to stick to like these shades here where it's just more browns and more just neutral shades. So I'm just going to start taking this shade here. It's called Faint, and I'm just going to start on the outer crease here and move inwards, and I'm actually just going right over the tape. So when I'm blending it, I'm actually blending it from like the outer corner and kind of like over like this. I'm not really going down into the crease area, because I'm actually going to like cut the crease later. So I just kind of want that almost like line on top of the crease. Okay, next I'm gonna take this darker shade here. It's this one here. It's a little bit pinky. It's called SBN. These are like really weird names. I haven't even noticed really. I don't know what that stands for. Probably something dirty I don't understand. But I'm gonna do the same thing with the slightly fluffier brush and go over the spot I just blended. I'm gonna go in next with this small tapered brush, and I'm gonna take a more brown shade, this one down here, and it's slightly darker, and I'm gonna go in the same spot, but I'm kind of just gonna keep it on one line. It's not gonna be so blended out. So you're almost trying to create a line just above that crease. Next, now that that's done, before I take the tape off, I'm going to cut the crease, and I'm just using like a flat paintbrush and just a concealer. This is the Too Faced Born This Way. And when I cut the crease, I'm gonna essentially just go onto the lid on this part that's right under the line you just made. So it takes a bit of practice, but if you use a paintbrush, it's easier because it's just more accurate, I think. So just start from the inner corner and work your way out. Okay, so there we go. I have cut the crease. Now for the fun part, I'm gonna take the tape off, and then honestly, like, it's up to you what you want to do on the actual part that you cut, the concealer. For me today, because I'm wearing like a minty green suit, I'm actually just going to stick to kind of like gold or silver tones to put on top. It's up to you though, like you could do a really fun color. And then I'm going to put the liner on and blend it all out, and I swear it's not gonna look so like blah. Okay, I'm gonna take this color in the corner here, and I'm kind of just gonna use that as a base before I put a more gold tone on top. So just gonna dab at it. So I'm actually decided I'm going to take this kind of green tone here, and I'm going to use that on like the outer corner. Actually kept the tape on because this is very difficult without it. Okay, so this is kind of just what the eyeshadow is going to look like, and then I'm going to add the eyeliner on top. So yeah. Okay, this is the finished look. So I've put lashes on. These are Lashes by Polly. Yeah, so these are Lashes by Polly in style, I don't know, I'll have to like link it down below. But this is what I'm wearing. So I'm just actually changed my mind. I'm just gonna wear my hair like sleek and straight like this and short, and then this is just the jacket, and it's long, and I have shorts on. I'm not gonna stand up because it's quite revealing, and I'm not a camera girl, I don't know. But yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video, and please consider subscribing, and I'll see you next time. Bye.